Last weekend I headed to New Creation Garage to help my buddy Dave work on the rear suspension of his vehicle. Dave lowered Ocho just a little bit as it was riding a little too swirly in the rear end with the height it was at. All right, Dave, Ocho's first ride here. Lowered her a little bit in the rear.
Well, let's see if we can make it off the ramp.
That's going to be the plus.
Without hitting. Oh, yeah.
All right. So that's a little better, huh?
This engine is really loud until it pumps up.
Warms up?
Yeah. But hasn't been driven in months, so.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
97 Ocho.
Definitely drives better.
Nice.
Ocho's back.
Nice. Back in action. That's a happy Dave right there.
Yep. Thanks to your help.
Oh, no. Hey, I was just emotional support, I think.
Yep.
If any.
Next up will be the shift pushing.
Yeah. Okay.
But it has the AC lines running through the tunnel.
Yeah, so that's going to make it a little more
So
difficult.
I bought a two-piece bushing
Okay.
to put in here. It's funny, it's doing the exact same thing with the idle.
Yeah.
The part I replaced on it.
That's wild. Yeah, it did stop for a little bit, huh?
Yeah, well, I may end up pulling the fuel injection off this and going with a carburetor because it's becoming a hassle.
Yeah. Does this have hydraulic lifters on it, or?
Yep.
It does, okay.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to take you on our luxurious street.
Nice, I like it.
Street.
Off-road testing street, here we go. Can Ocho survive? I think it did very well.
When it's rainy and muddy, it's like what's coming here.
Yeah, it looks a little rough out there. So is this practice for wagon through with the coochie right here?
Yep.
Getting her dialed in.
This is really the good spot when it gets full of mud and stuff.
Oh yeah. Boom. Nice.
I had to avoid that tree.
Yeah. Heck yeah. Right. Ocho, the Class 11, is back in action.